Hello gentlemen, today we have something special in store for you all. In this video, we've gathered incredible, cutting-edge gadgets, sleek add-ons, and astonishing equipment that's gonna make you the coolest guy in town. Number 1. Stanley Smart Measure Pro. How can you transform your phone into a high-tech measuring tool with an innovative device? Simply mount it, calibrate the laser, and capture images of the surface you need to measure. The device's advanced algorithms automatically calculate the area within a 450-foot range. Even better, it allows you to exclude areas for doors and windows for enhanced precision. Compatible with most phones and tablets, it's the perfect complement for measuring and calculating surfaces and materials. Number 2. Hypershell Omega Exoskeleton. Are you planning to conquer Everest or do something really great? If you are looking for an assistant, look no further than Hypershell Omega, an ultra-lightweight exoskeleton designed to assist adventurers, athletes, and anyone seeking to enhance their physical capabilities. Weighing just 4 pounds, it can offset up to 66 pounds and extend your range up to 16 miles, making it an ideal companion for those aiming to go further, climb higher, or simply move with less effort. Equipped with advanced sensors and motion engine technology, it not only understands your body's movements, but also learns and adapts to your habits over time, providing a personalized support system that evolves with you. Number 3. BruMate. Imagine a backpack that's not just a backpack. BruMate, a cooler and beverage dispenser rolled into one. This isn't your average cooler though. It has the power to keep your drinks icy cold for an impressive 4 days, making it a powerhouse for any party or adventure. With its robust construction and multiple carrying options, it offers both durability and flexibility. Although it may feel a bit large on your back, its impressive 3-gallon capacity ensures you're always the life of the party. Number 4. HOTO Precision Screwdriver Kit Pro. This kit is a treasure chest, boasting 48 top-tier accessories, ready to tackle the most intricate tasks. Among them, you'll find the resilient S2 steel bits, available in short and long sizes, ready to adapt to any situation. It features 2 torque levels, a round LED light, and a magnetic bit attachment that snaps on easily. The kit also includes a built-in charging system, so your tools are always prepared for use. Plus, everything is stored in a sturdy aluminum case, providing a secure home for your tool collection. Number 5. Lift Aircraft Hexa. How fascinating soaring above traffic jams looks like. The cityscape is below you. Welcome to the future of travel with Hexa, a multi-copter designed for tourism and short-distance travel. Equipped with 18 propellers and motors, semi-autonomous piloting, flight control computers, and virtual reality simulators, Hexa offers an unparalleled flying experience. But it's not just about the thrill of flight. Hexa is also designed for versatility, capable of landing on land and water. Safety is paramount, with features like triply redundant systems, an autonomous parachute, and the ability to land in designated areas. Each motor is equipped with an underslung battery for quick changes and fire safety. With Hexa, the sky is no longer the limit. It's your playground. Number 6. MeTool Bullet Ant. A pen can do many things besides writing. Introducing a pen that'll help you with quick fixes on the go and even in emergencies. Whether you're opening a box, defending yourself, or jotting down a quick note, the Bullet Ant is ready to assist. Bullet Ant is a titanium bolt-action multi-tool pen designed to be your go-to gadget. Its innovative double-sided bolt-action mechanism for swift switching between functions, including a hidden screwdriver that can be customized with 2 included bits. With the Bullet Ant, you're not just carrying a pen, you're carrying a compact toolkit ready to tackle any challenge. Number 7. Muradin Gear Tactical Bifold Wallet. Are you tired of carrying around a bulky wallet that feels like a brick in your pocket? It's time to consider the Muradin Slim Wallet. Crafted from aviation-grade aluminum, this wallet is lightweight and durable. But it's not just about the weight. The Muradin Slim Wallet also offers RFID blocking technology, providing an extra layer of security for your personal information. The unique aluminum card holder, secured by 10 rivet-style hex screws, can accommodate up to 12 cards and features an easy access window. Need to carry some cash? No problem. The included rubber band has you covered. Number 8. Wolf 1834 Rocket. Say goodbye to the frustration of a dead watch while traveling. Introducing the Rocket Winder from Wolf, a compact yet powerful device designed to keep your watch ticking no matter where you are. This rechargeable, battery-powered, single-watch winder boasts a sleek design and comes equipped with all the necessary indicators and functionality to ensure your watch is always ready to go. With its patented technology that counts turns per day, your timepiece will always be perfectly wound and ready for action. Traveling just got a whole lot easier with the Rocket Winder. Number 9. IFLW Star Wars Watchwinder. Talking about watches reminds us of this. For the Star Wars fan who thought they had everything, here's something that's truly out of this galaxy. The IFW Star Wars Watchwinder is a product born from the collaboration between Cross Studio and Lucasfilm. This isn't just a piece of Star Wars memorabilia, it's a functional watchwinder that maintains the mechanism of any automatic mechanical watch. The watch is placed within the winding capsule, where a powerful movement ensures it stays perfectly wound. With this Star Wars-inspired watchwinder, you're not just keeping time, you're keeping it in style. Number 10. Tooletries Harvey and Oliver Set. It's time to declutter your bathroom and streamline your morning routine with the Tooletries Harvey and Oliver Set. This kit is designed to neatly organize your bathroom essentials, from your toothbrush and razor to shower gels and beauty products. Each module in the kit grips firmly to any shiny surface, providing a secure hold for your items. The set includes a fog-resistant mirror and various holders for toothbrushes, razors, and more. The kit offers bigger options with pockets for larger items, like shower gels and toothpaste. Number 11. Unihertz Tank. Unihertz has unleashed a true titan in the world of smartphones. It's not about the size. Here's a phone that's more like a portable battery pack with a phone feature, thanks to its huge 22,000 mAh battery. Who needs to carry a charger when your phone can last up to 8 days with normal use, or give almost 150 hours of non-stop talking? But the Tank doesn't stop there. It's built to handle tough conditions, being water, dust, and shockproof. It even has a strong LED light that can be used as a spotlight or an emergency light. With 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of storage, a 108 megapixel main camera, and a 32 megapixel front camera, the Tank has everything you need for your adventures. Number 12. Filippo Morato Tech Belt. This isn't your ordinary belt. This London-designed belt is far from your average accessory. It features a discrete button that allows for instant and easy adjustment by 0.196 inches, enabling you to fine-tune your fit on the go. The push-to-open feature is like a magic trick for your waistline, eliminating the awkward fumbling that comes with traditional belts. With the Tech Belt, you get comfort, convenience, and a touch of luxury. Number 13. Winery Bluetooth Speaker. A wine bottle that doesn't just pour your favorite drink, but also fills the room with music. The Winery Bluetooth Speaker is just that. This unique device uses 360-degree sound technology to create a pristine musical ambiance that surrounds you from all directions. It's a bottle of wine that cheers you up and serenades you with your favorite tunes. The bottle might be calling out to you, not for a drink, but for a dance. Number 14. Redux & Co. Titanium Pilot Diver Mission Watch. Embark on your next adventure with a trusty guide at your side. This isn't just any watch. It's a versatile tool that can be combined with a compass or digital module. Even if you're not Jack Sparrow, this coin-sized compass will be your reliable guide in the great outdoors. It may not lead you to the Black Pearl, but it will certainly help you navigate your way around any camp or trail. But to withstand the roughest terrain and weather conditions, this compact yet robust tool offers the choice of a liquid-filled or air-filled compass, depending on your preference and situation. Attach it to your keyring, backpack, or first aid kit, and venture forth confidently. Number 15. Garrett Wade Beautiful Brass Capsule Multitools. Garrett Wade's brass capsule multi-tools are a marvel of design and functionality. This multi-tool kit is housed in a beautiful brass capsule that splits into two at the texture center joint. Inside, you'll find 5 versatile steel tools that can be easily selected and inserted into the brass slot for use. Once the tool is secured, simply rejoin the two halves and you're ready to go. Among the tools, the corkscrew seems to be a standout, offering a practical solution for wine enthusiasts. This multi-tool kit is not just a tool, but a testament to the beauty of functional design. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to encourage us to bring more tech updates and gadgets for you. Before you leave, make sure to check out the playlist on the screen.